Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a short, sweet, quick unboxing. I'm so excited about this. I just received a box free for review from Influenster from Kora Organics. And let's see, I haven't even looked inside. I'm so excited. This is from Influenster. This is a cute box. I love it. Bunch of stars and everything. Okay. This is what it looks like on the inside. It says Noni Night AHA Resurfacing Serum, which is what's in here. And again, it looks like this on the inside. Okay. We've got this little card right here from Influenster. And on the back, it's going to tell you all about it. And this is the Noni Night AHA Resurfacing Serum. That's what is in this box here. And again, I got this free for review from Influencer. And let's go ahead and open it up. This is what the bottle looks like. And we're going to read what it says on here. It says, a powerful certified organic night treatment serum that uses AHAs, BHA, and ferments to help resurface your skin and reduce the appearance of pores, leaving you with a smoother complexion. Thanks to certified organic noni fruit extract, willow bark extract, lemon pill ferment, Sicilian white grapes, and caviar lime for providing clean, smaller looking pores, powerful antioxidants, and a healthy, radiant glow. And then it says smooth and refine while you sleep. After 4 weeks, 91% noticed pores appeared smaller, 91% noticed the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation were minimized, and 91% noticed overall skin appearance more youthful. Based on a study of 53 consumers ages 25 to 55 using Noni Night nightly over a 4-week period. So, I am actually going to be trying this out over the next few months. I'm going to do a skincare routine video here shortly to show you what I do for my skincare, and I'm going to be incorporating this into that. And then I'll also give you a further, more detailed review of, you know, if it actually lives up to the claims, if I do notice smaller looking pores and wrinkles and stuff. So I'll let you know, like after I've given it a good, thorough review, what my final thoughts were on it later. And let's see what else is in the box. We also have a small little sample size of the Kora Organics Noni Glow Face Oil. And I have got right here Sephora pulled up, so let me see what I can find out about this. Okay, here we go. Noni Glow Face Oil. This is for normal, oily, combination dry, and sensitive skin. It says a rich, powerful, yet delicate treatment oil designed for the face and neck. And it's supposed to help with dullness and uneven texture and uneven skin tone. It says this moisturizing oil is made with certified organic noni extract, rose hip oil, pomegranate oil, and sea buckthorn oil, which combine to create a rich source of antioxidants and essential fatty acids. The formula is designed to absorb quickly into dehydrated skin to smooth, nourish, and brighten while providing a natural glow. Skin feels softer, smoother, well hydrated, and plumper, and the visible effects of sun damage and scarring appear diminished. The oil also assists in boosting natural radiance and creating a more even tone. So we are going to check that out. And again, I will be incorporating this into my routine, and I will let you know how it goes. And let's see here, this is a 10 milliliter. Let's see on Sephora the size. Okay, the price for the 10 milliliter, which is, this is the mini size here, is $25. But again, I received this free for review from Influencer. Let's open this up and see what this is a nice little glass bottle. This is what the bottle looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells nice. It just smells very clean. And then the Kora Organics Noni Night AHA Resurfacing Serum. This here, this is a 1.01 fluid ounce, which is the size that they sell at Sephora, and this is $72. And then it also came with this little bag here, and it's got an amethyst crystal in it. Oh, this is really pretty. I love crystals. And then there's a little card in here. Looks like this. And it says, infusing the vibration of balance. Noni Night AHA Resurfacing Serum is energized with amethyst, a stone believed to calm your skin, as it increases circulation to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Amethyst energy vibration supports positivity, motivation, and balance. All Kora Organics products are also energized with rose quartz, a crystal believed to carry a soothing energy to encourage love and acceptance of ourselves and others. That's cute. So what a nice little box. This is very exciting. If you would also like to get products free to review, just go to influenster.com or download the app, and then you can create an account. They're going to ask you a bunch of questions about things that you use and purchase, and then you can go on there and you can review products. I love to review products. I love to read product reviews. So I enjoy going on there and writing the reviews about like all kinds of stuff I have in my house. It's great for men, women, children. I mean, you can review literally anything from your sheets to your cat food to your car to your tablet. So it's also a great site to go to or app to use if you just want to look at product reviews to know what you're getting before you buy and see what other people are posting, like everyday people. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm very excited to give this stuff a try. I'll be trying it out tonight. And again, I will be doing a skincare routine video here soon, showing you how I incorporated this into my skincare routine and what else I'll be using. And then I will do a full review once I've been using this for at least a good 6 weeks or so. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here. Leave it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And have a great day. Before I go, remember, there's enough shitty people in the world. Don't be one of them. Bye.